sit on the bar, not the seat.
Sit on the bar?
No, the back.
Like at the back bar.
Now tuck your knees to the inside, right here.
Give him a little push.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, you went on the outside, bro. Go in.
I can't go in.
I don't know, bro. I can't do it on the inside. We're going to wheelie this bitch.
Do it. Get her. Get her, Pepper. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I can't even ride it.
I tried.
Get him, Pepper. You don't like that bike?
You don't like it, dude.
She don't like it. How are you doing that? Yeah.
What? He tucks his knees in.
Oh.
He rubs the knees. Or out, whatever. Out's kind of harder. He's nimble.
I didn't try it like that. I should try it that way. His legs are all like. What? Straight through the pee.
Your time.
Like,
Yeah,
I tried
let's
it
see you
this
try.
morning, bro.
I want to see you try though.
I literally cannot.
Just sit right here.
I tried literally this morning.
Let's see you try.
Yeah, ask Tristan, dude. I can't.
Alright,
Like,
your turn.
my legs-
Okay, I'm gonna try.
My legs are murdered right now.
You have to sit on the bar.
What?
Sit on that back bar.
Oh,
There you go.
and then scoot him in.
It's not
Oh,
big to worry
jeez.
about.
Yeah, that hurts my tailbone for sure.
Okay.
Okay. No, I'm one-handing it. Oh, it is much easier to put your knees in. Okay. Look, Tyler, why don't you do it like this? Did you try putting them in?
No.
Oh. That works a lot better than trying to spread them out. Good. Yeah. I was like, is it on the brake? That's
Yeah.
why. I've never seen a bike like that before.
The chopper style?
Yeah.